Welcome to our YouTube channel Everything About Accounting. In this video, we will learn 1. What is a transaction? And 2. Features of transaction. So let's get started. What is a transaction? The transaction is very important for the recording of accounts. Since the beginning of civilization, people have been trading with one another. In ancient times, people exchanged goods between themselves to meet their needs, and since then the concept of transactions has arisen. There is an event behind each transaction. That is, a transaction is the result of an event. For example, a table purchased for the office with $5,000 and paid the child's school fees $200. Both these incidents are events, and each of which is measurable in terms of money and also has changed the financial position. So, in simple terms, we can say that a transaction that is measurable in terms of money and changes in the financial position of a person or organization is to be treated as a transaction. Features of transaction. Which events will be considered transactions and which events will not be considered transactions are measured by analyzing the characteristics of the transaction. Features of transaction is as follows. 1. Measurable in terms of money. 2. Changes the financial position. 3. There are two entities or two parties. 4. One transaction is completely different from the other. 5. Every transaction is a historical event. 6. Each transaction affects the accounting equation. 7. Every transaction is complete and independent. 8. A transaction can be both visible and invisible. I hope at the end of the video you have learned what is a transaction, and features of transaction. If you want to know more or like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and share this video. You can also visit our official website www.everythingaboutakcounting.info for more updates. Thanks for watching.